The Samsung Galaxy S9 was released with Android Oreo 8.0 and immediately received an update for camera and for face recognition app. Besides being smarter and faster, Android Oreo is very adjustable so you can change the settings as you wish. The first thing is to customize your phone according to your previous device settings and transfer the content. This feature is very useful. The action bar was slightly rearranged. It's customizable so you can change the order of your apps. One of the best new feature on S9 is Dolby Atmos, an audio system with 3-dimensional surround sound. Let's see the differences. Another great and improved feature used for multitasking is the split screen and snap window. Swipe up or down on the home screen and enter to pre-installed apps. Most of them cannot be deleted, just disabled. Swiping left from home screen, you can switch to Bixby homepage, or you can do that by pressing the dedicated Bixby button on the left. Now let's see the settings menu. You can customize the device name or add a picture. You can check the condition of the device and optimize it by pressing Optimize Now, or you can do this for each unit individually. Always on display is a very useful Super AMOLED feature, but is one of the most consumable, even when running in background. This is one of the most sophisticated cameras at the moment, that uses top features such as dual aperture for super low light, super slow motion with incredible speed 960 frames per second, optical image stabilization for both photos and video. If you know a better camera on the market now, please let me know in a comment down below. I'll post an extended camera test video to show that it can easily replace a compact camera, and in limited conditions even a DSLR.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.